Hello mga kamasa! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will share to you how I bake this yummy brigadeiro cake. Medyo matrabaho lang gawin, pero I'm sure magugustuhan ito ng buong pamilya. Kaya umpisahan na po natin ang paggawa.
Hey there! Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
The first thing we do is to bake our chocolate moist cake. We need 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Strain gently to remove the unwanted particles of the flour. After straining, let's add the 2 cups of brown sugar. Then mix it to incorporate all our dry ingredients. Next, let us prepare our wet ingredient. Combine 1 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of vinegar and let it rest for 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Sa ating milk mixture, mag-add po tayo ng 2 medium eggs, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then, let us dissolve 1 Nescafe sachet to 1 cup of hot water. Paghaluin na po natin ang ating wet and dry ingredient. Mix it well to incorporate our wet and dry ingredients. And do not overmix it para hindi po magbuhaghag ang resulta ng ating chocolate moist cake. Ganito po dapat ang consistency ng ating batter. O diba, mukhang smooth at glossy pa siya. Make sure na wala na pong buo-buong arena ang ating batter bago po natin ihalo ang 1 cup of hot water with Nescafe sachet. It's up to you na po kung gusto nyo salain ang ating batter. Pero di ko na po sinala kasi subok ko na po ang magandang resulta ng recipe na ito. I use 10 by 14 by 1 inch baking pan, just I lined with parchment paper. Transfer the butter to baking pan and make sure that you pour it evenly para maging pantay po ang kapal ng ating cake. While doing this, let us preheated our oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then, let us bake our cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes. After 45 minutes, do a toothpick test and check if the cake is already cooked. If not yet cooked, then extend the baking time for at least 10 minutes. Make sure nasa tamang temperature na po ang ating oven bago isalang ang ating butter para maganda po ang kalabasan ng ating cake. Presenting our soft and moist chocolate cake. Sunod naman natin gawin ang ating brigadeiro filling. In a cooking pan, let us combine 1 3/4 cup of condensed milk, 2 cups of evaporated milk, and 1/4 cup of cornstarch. And ihalo na din natin ang 3 egg yolk. Disclaimer po, I first washed my hands before I separate the egg yolks from egg white. And lastly, I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix it well to combine all our ingredients. And make sure cornstarch is already dissolved before we cook it in a low-medium fire. Try nyo nang gumawa mga kamasa. I'm sure your family will surely love this. Or pwede nyo rin po itong ipangbenta. Kapag medyo kumakapal na po ang texture ng ating brigadeiro filling, pwede nyo na pong ilagay ang ating 1 cup of all-purpose cream. Mas magiging malasang malasa at creamy ang ating brigadeiro filling dahil sa all-purpose cream. Then, mag-add po tayo ng 1/4 cup of butter para maging smooth po ang ating filling. And lastly, let's make our chocolate ganache. Get 1 cup of all-purpose cream and add it to 300 grams of chocolate. Naubusan ako ng chocolate bits kaya chocolate bar na lang po ang ginamit ko. Hiniwa ko lang ng maliliit para madaling matunaw. Then microwave it for at least a minute para malusaw lang po ang ating chocolates. Habang mainit pa, haluin po ang dalawang ingredients na ito para makagawa tayo ng chocolate ganache. Now, we are ready to assembling our brigadeiro cake. This is our yummy brigadeiro filling. This is our chocolate ganache. And this is our chocolate moist cake. I use 500 grams of square Tupperware. Hiniwa ko ang ating moist cake ayon sa sukat ng ating Tupperware. Make sure nakalapat pong maigi ang ating cake sa gilid ng Tupperware para pag naglagay po ng brigadeiro filling, hindi po siya mahuhulog sa ilalim. Ilagay po munang lahat ang cake sa Tupperware para malinis pong tingnan lahat. Naglagay po ako ng kalahating tasang brigadeiro filling sa bawat isang tub. Medyo generous ang inyong lola kaya kinapalan ko ng paglalagay ng brigadeiro filling. Akala ko hindi ko kayang gawin kasi pag pinanonood mo sa YouTube sobrang hirap. Yun pala, sobrang dali lang basta meron ka lang tiyaga. Try nyo na pong gumawa mga kamasa para sa Pasko meron po tayong pagkakakitaan. O kaya ay pangregalo sa ating mga relatives or friends. Ilagay po muna natin sa ref for at least 30 minutes up to 1 hour para mag-set po ang ating brigadeiro filling bago natin ilagay ang ating chocolate ganache.
1 hour later.
And to our last stage, ang paglalagay ng chocolate ganache sa ibabaw. Dapat po ganito ang texture na ating chocolate ganache. Dahil generous ako sa mga customer ko, naglagay ako ng 1/3 cup of chocolate ganache sa bawat tub. Kailangan pantayin po natin ang pagkakalagay ng chocolate ganache sa ibabaw para maganda pong tingnan. And now, here is our brigadeiro cake. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video na ito, please don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Salamat po!
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.